Okay, so this week what you are going to create is for Thursday is two different background colors. So the first thing that you want to do is go to this plus sign under layers, collect an empty layer. When you're working with layers, whatever is on the top is the object that'll be kind of covering up objects. So we're working on our background, so we're going to move this Campbell soup to the back. So this fill color is something that you can use to create an entire background. So we're going to make sure that our background layer is clicked, and we're going to fill that background color with whichever color you decide. But from there, we want to kind of create this illusion of a longer background of these images. So you're going to click another layer, empty, always moving it in the bottom, but it's going to be on top of this background layer. We're going to go to the gradient tool, and you can click any colors that you want to change in these areas. It's up to you on what colors you want to do. So the first one is a gradient background. So you want to make sure that your color images down here is checked, not your gray. So we pick here. And I want mine to be a little bit darker and then gradually get to light. Then you're going to go to this marquee tool, which is your rectangle. Drawing out your foreground. Then go to back to your gradient and click your gradient tool. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. If you go at an angle, you have this nice little tool here. If you go straight down, it'll kind of taper off this way. You can turn your opacity lower and do your background that way, which I want you to kind of play around with it and figure out what works for you. So this one's working for me. And this is just one kind of simple background that you're going to create. So you're going to turn in this basic background, and then for tomorrow, you're going to create your own background.